Alright, I'm here to explain how JBL Connect and Connect Plus works. The little speakers here, the Go and the Go 2, do not support Connect or Connect Plus. The Extreme does, and let me show you why you see this here. There is a Connect symbol on the speaker. So if I zoom in a little better, there you have it, there, that's the Connect button. Now let me show you a Pulse 3 speaker here that has the same symbol but with a plus in it. That would be the Connect Plus symbol. That's on the Pulse 3. Only Connect works with Connect and Connect Plus systems work with Connect Plus. So you have to have one or the other, they don't mix. So my JBL Pulse 2 here over there to the left has a Connect button, and the Extreme here on the right also has one. So we're going to try to connect those. As you can see, my Pulse here is just pairing with Bluetooth, and I turn the Connect button on, and then I turn the JBL Extreme on, and also the Connect button. Now in a second they will play. When you hear them playing, then you do hear what? Distortions and hiccups. And then the Pulse stops playing, and the light turns off and it stops blinking for the Connect function. And you're thinking, what's wrong here? Nothing is wrong. So what happened is that on your phone, both speakers try to connect to Bluetooth, and that's a problem, so they're fighting each other. If you want to make a Connect connection, or a Connect Plus connection, you can only pair one of those speakers. If you had them paired before, they most likely try to reconnect, what is bad if they are all connected at the same time. So you need to disconnect all your Bluetooth speakers that are connected to your phone and only have one of them on. Only one of them connected to Bluetooth. So let's see which one this is here. There it is, this one. This is connected now. The other one I turned the connection off. Now, both are in this connect mode, so they both are playing. Very good. So you can now take the JBL Connect app and take a quick look. See, it recognizes the Pulse there and then the other one. So it shows both on there. And they're always in party mode, because the Connect version only supports to play two of them in party mode. It doesn't have a stereo mode. So let's turn this off. And let's switch this whole thing to the JBL Pulse 3 speaker. That's the one what supports the Connect Plus system. And in here we have the same problem. So if we turn both of them on, we need to make sure that we only connect one to Bluetooth. Let me verify this here on the phone quick, that I only have one connected. So we turn the Connect Plus buttons on both. And they make sounds when they're connected to each other. And then we might as well play the music on both of them. And they both now play together. Only one is Bluetooth paired. And we see them in our app, both together. Pull them over here. This is a binaural recording, by the way, so if you wear a headset, you can probably hear the difference what speaker is where. If we switch to stereo mode, it splits the channels, left channel to the left one, right channel to the right one. If you know what which one is left and which one is right, right? So let's here do the volume. And there they play both together in stereo mode. Isn't that neat? Yeah, so that's how it works with the Connect and the Connect Plus. Hope you enjoyed this video. Try to comment, share, subscribe if you like. See you next time.